How to fix WhatsApp video call rotate problem. Hello guys and welcome back to this new video. On this video I'm going to show you how to fix the rotate problem on WhatsApp. So all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager and then go to the apps. Now on this page you will find all the downloaded apps on your phone. So all what you have to do here is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and it will give you this page right here. You will find all the apps as we said. Scroll until you find WhatsApp and click on it. Now after you click on it, you have to do just one thing. Just click here on this force stop option, and then all what you have to do now is go back to the home page and restart your phone, then reopen WhatsApp, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video until the end.